Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa. The land is good, the land is fine.
According to Albert Einstein, the high density of the individual is to serve rather than to rule. This is a case of Dr. Teresa Isichei Pounds, an accomplished and distinguished professional in the field of pharmacy and nutrition, a warrior, a go-getter with an avowed heart to see pharmacy practice taken to the next level in Nigeria and indeed the entire African continent. As the immediate past president of the Nigerian Association of Pharmacists and Pharmaceutical Scientists in the Americas, NAPSA, and founder-president of the WASPEN Corporation, which is a registered 501c3 organization in the US and also registered as an NGO in Nigeria. Dr. Pounds started her pharmacy career as an outstanding student on a 4-year academic scholarship at Spelman College, an Ivy League institution in Atlanta, Georgia. There she graduated with the highest academic honors, cum laude, in biology. She continued her excellent academic career at Mercer University in Atlanta, Georgia as a Dean Scholar, where she received her Bachelor of Pharmacy degree and Doctor of Pharmacy. She completed a postdoctoral residency in nutritional support at the Georgia Baptist Hospital, Atlanta. Her expertise lies in specialized nutrition support, medication therapy management, and clinical pharmacy practice in both community and acute care settings. With over 20 years of experience in teaching, mentoring, clinical practice, research, and community service, Dr. Pounds has years of experience in providing personalized medication therapy management and nutritional counseling to diverse communities. Her focus on evidence-based practices and clinical research showcases her dedication to finding innovative solutions in her field. During her tenure as Program Director of the Pharmacy Practice Residency Program and Clinical Pharmacy Manager at Atlanta Medical Center, Dr. Pounds made substantial contributions to local and global clinical pharmacy training. Her leadership expanded these programs' reach beyond the institution. Equally significant was her mentorship, which touched pharmacy and medical residents across diverse institutions. Dr. Pounds' guidance not only imparted knowledge and skills, but also inspired mentees to achieve prominent careers. Many mentees spanning various institutions stand as a testament to her enduring legacy in shaping healthcare professionals' futures. Dr. Pounds' contributions extend beyond her work in the United States, as she actively participates in global medical missions and community-based outreach programs. Her focus in under-resourced, historically marginalized minority involves providing a better nutritional support system and pharmacy intervention of medication therapy. Through her initiatives, she strives to address healthcare disparities and improve the well-being of these communities in both the United States and sub-Saharan Africa. Exemplifying an unwavering dedication to the promotion of value-based practice with a particular emphasis on the clinical pharmacy initiative and clinical pharmacy, her passion for advancing healthcare shines through in her role as the CEO of Clinifarm Global Health Limited. In this capacity, she consistently makes a positive impact on the lives of patients dealing with chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension. Serving as a proficient consultant in this field, she engages in fruitful collaborations with local healthcare facilities to optimize treatment outcomes and elevate the overall quality of patient care. Furthermore, Her dedication to the field of pharmacy is exemplified by her academic appointment at Mercer University, Philadelphia School of Osteopathic Medicine (PCOM), and Shenandoah University as a preceptor for ambulatory clinical pharmacy rotations for the fourth-year pharmacy students. She was reappointed to serve on the ASHP International Accreditation Commission (IAC) and is also an associate professor, College of Pharmacy at the University of Benin, Nigeria. Dr. Pounds is the proud recipient of several academic and professional awards from her alma mater, some of which are the Roche Preceptor of the Year Award, Pharmacist of the Year Award, Dean's Award. In recent years, Dr. Pounds, as chair of the Education Committee and immediate past president of NAPSA, was involved in several professional training workshops in some select institutions and governmental organizations in Nigeria geared towards the standardization and training of pharmacy students in clinical pharmaceutical care in her journey to giving back to her field and her community. Some of her achievements and the programs she coordinated include Education and PharmD. In 2012, Dr. Pounds collaborated to organize Nigeria's first and largest pharmacotherapy workshop at the Clinical Pharmacy Department, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences in Benin, marking a significant milestone. She also conducted a pioneering nutrition support workshop at the University of Benin Teaching Hospital in 2014, showcasing her proactive healthcare enhancement approach. In 2016, her leadership skills came to the fore as she directed the organization of the esteemed International Preceptor Development Workshop. This distinguished event was hosted by the Department of Clinical Pharmacy, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences at the University of Jos, Nigeria. In 2015, Dr. Pounds presented NAPSA's compelling position paper justifying the introduction of the PharmD program in Nigeria to the National Universities Commission. This led to the coordination of the groundbreaking Special PharmD Implementation Committee program in 2017. This innovative collaboration involved the University of Benin Pharmacy Department, Pharmaceutical Council of Nigeria (PCN), and NAPSA. She led the launch of the Pharmacy-Based Vaccination Delivery (CPR BLS) training program in Nigeria in collaboration with the Transgenerational Pharmacies Development Foundation (TGPDF). Redesigned in collaboration with WAPCP, the residency program in Nigeria, to meet the criteria of the international standards of ASHP, with a successful launch at the Pilot Institution in Delsuth in collaboration with the West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacists, WAPCP. This program is now in the final stages of accreditation review. In 2018, her leadership extended as she headed the coordination of the University of Benin's prestigious Accelerated Clinical Clerkship Program, fostering hands-on clinical experience for aspiring pharmacists. In the same year, she served as the co-chairperson of the Pharmaceutical Care Implementation Committee for the Association of Hospital and Administrative Pharmacists of Nigeria, AHAPN. Dr. Pounds has actively engaged in numerous medical missions to Nigeria, collaborating with ANPA and serving as Pharmacy Director for Hospital for Humanity NGO, with a specific focus on pediatric cardiothoracic surgery, team organization, local healthcare collaboration, and sustainable healthcare improvements. Founded the West African Society of Parenteral and Enteral Nutrition, WASPEN, a US-based 501c3 organization and a registered NGO in Nigeria. WASPEN serves as a dynamic multidisciplinary platform committed to advancing medical nutrition care not only in Nigeria but also across the broader West African region. She serves as the ambassador for the West African countries on the advocacy for nutrition care in the international section of WASPEN and representing the region in global campaign Nutrition is a Human Right. Dr. Teresa Pounds was also recently inducted as a Fellow of West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacists. Dr. Teresa Pound's many successes in healthcare has distinguished her as one of the leaders with tenacity of purpose who has impacted an indelible mark through their works or profession. Her contribution to pharmacy profession proves what we already know, that she is a strong team player and a connoisseur of excellence. No matter how big a crowd may be, a person like her always stands out. A woman of many parts. It is noteworthy to affirm that Dr. Teresa Isichei Pound's impeccable and outstanding milestone achievements conspicuously stand her out in the crowd. Like the old adage says, life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must continue riding. Dr. Teresa Pound, keep riding, for Nigeria, Africa, and the rest of the world are proud of your achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished delegates, invited guests, it is my pleasure to present to you the immediate past president of the Nigerian Association of Pharmacists and Pharmaceutical Scientists in the Americas, NAPSA, Dr. Teresa Isichei Pound, the keynote speaker of the Second International Annual Conference of Clinical Pharmacists Association of Nigeria.
Gold behind